Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on this Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you would replace your license plate light bulbs. So the license plate light bulbs, you have two, one on each side, and so the procedure will be the same for each side. We have a little indent here, and from both of them we do it from the left side, and we're able to get a little screwdriver in there and be able to pry it and pop it down. Okay, so take a little screwdriver, we're able to push it to the right a little bit, and then that way we can pull this housing down, and then we pull it out. Then you got to spin this off. That'll give you a whole lot of wiring up there, and then you'll be able to pull this light bulb out and to get a new one. And this is your 5W5 light bulb. And so we just get a new 5W5 light bulb and then be able to install it by pressing it in. Take the housing and be able to get it up in there, line it up, twist it to the locking position, and then we just snap this up in there until it clicks in, and that's how you would replace your license plate light bulb on your Chevy Trax. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.